Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, allow me to say a few words about John Neumann. He was born on December 28, 1903 in Budapest. His father was a banker. Two younger brothers were born, Michael, a doctor from Chicago, and Nicholas, a lawyer from Philadelphia. He attended the Fasori Grammar School in Budapest. He won math competition in school. He was interested in aviation and technology. He was interested in aviation and technology. It was already occupied by a computer running on the binary number system. He attended two universities at the same time. He was interested in mathematics and humanities, Budapest University of Science and Pázmány-Péter University of Science. His doctoral topic was set theory. 1921 teaches on the University of Berlin. In 1924 he was a teacher in Zurich. 1926 PhD and will be a chemical engineer. A professor at the University of Göttingen in 1926. Deals with game theory. 1927 Friedrich Wilhelm University and in 1929 at Princeton University. In 1927 he became member of the Institute of Advanced Study. So from 1945 to 1957 he was director of the electric computer project in Brighton. From 1945 to 1957 he was director of the electric computer project in Princeton. So in 1944 it was completed on the University of Pennsylvania. In 1944 it was completed on the University of Pennsylvania. Electronic Integration and Computer. In July 1945, the Neumann principles follow. The title first draft of report and EDVA. The Neumann principles: fully electronic computer, application of binary number system, application of arithmetic unit, universal Turing machine, use of central control unit, interior program and data storage. And in 1945, in the University of Cambridge, the first such electronic device storage automatic computer. He was also chairman of the Atomic Energy Committee. Research topic: regulation and control programming, data processing, communication, organization and systems. Atomic bomb during research. He got cancer from radiation infection. He died on February 8, 1957 in Washington. Thank you for your attention.